How to remove someone from Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can remove someone from Snapchat, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to remove someone as a friend on Snapchat, what do? Well, in order to remove someone as a friend on Snapchat, you just have to go ahead and open the Snapchat app. Make sure that you're signed in. Then you want to just come to the chat page that you can find over here. Now let's say that there is a specific friend that you maybe want to remove them from your friends list. In that case, what you have to do is just long press on the friend's name here, and then over there you'll find an option called manage friendship. Just tap on manage friendship option, and then here you'll find this option called remove friend. And when you tap the remove friend button, it'll be asked you to remove it, so you can just tap on the remove option to remove them from Snapchat. In other cases, what happens is that you might be the owner of a group and then you want to remove some members. Just tap on the group name. You'll be able to find the group members. If there are any members left, you can go ahead and then remove them as well. So this way you can go ahead and remove someone from Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.